Here is a number that should stop every car owner cold. Over 60% of Americans use independent mechanics, and the vast majority have no idea that for 8 specific brands, that single decision, that completely legal, completely reasonable choice to save money, can silently erase thousands of dollars in warranty protection they already paid for. These brands run ads about peace of mind. They talk about standing behind their product, and buried in the same warranty booklet, in font so small it might as well be invisible, is a clause that gives them every legal tool they need to walk away from a repair bill the moment an unauthorized wrench touches your car. Here is the thing. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, federal law since 1975, says manufacturers cannot void your entire warranty simply because you used an independent mechanic. But these 8 brands have engineered systems so sophisticated, proprietary software surveillance, digital service, records only their dealers can update, hyper-specific fluid documentation codes, that they can manufacture a direct causation argument almost every time, and the average consumer has no practical way to fight it. Bottom line, before your next independent service appointment, watch this video. For these 8 brands, the warranty clock starts ticking the second you leave that independent shop. And the final brand on this list? It is probably parked in your driveway right now. Brand number 1, Stellantis. Jeep, Ram, Dodge, and Chrysler once marketed its powertrain coverage as the toughest in the business. Here is what Stellantis does today. Stellantis was documented offering Jeep, Ram, and Dodge owners $2,000 to $3,000 in cash to sign off on a permanent warranty void, rather than fix recurring transmission and fuel system failures. Translation: it was cheaper to pay you to give up your rights than to repair the product they sold you, but here is where it gets truly predatory. Ram truck powertrain warranties are being voided over a single missing line item. The exact phrase, transmission fluid level and condition inspected and verified, must appear on your invoice, along with the exact MOPA 8 and 9-speed ATF part number. Not ATF, not automatic transmission fluid, the specific MOPA part number. If your independent mechanic writes universal top-off fluid, even if the fluid is chemically identical and applied perfectly, Stellantis triggers an automatic denial. The real kicker, no independent shop can be expected to know Mopar-specific line item codes. That is not an oversight. Stellantis generates billions in dealer service revenue annually, and hyper-specific documentation requirements are not engineering standards. They are financial gatekeeping dressed as quality control. A Ram 1500 owner can walk out with a voided powertrain warranty worth up to $60,000, simply because the invoice says ATF instead of MOPA HP ATF plus 4. The job was done right. Stellantis still wins. Bottom line, Stellantis doesn't write warranties, they write escape hatches, and they have been caught paying owners to use them. But if you think that is predatory, wait until you hear about a German brand that surveils your car's entire software record and flags it against you for life. Brand number 2, BMW. BMW built its identity on driver-focused engineering freedom. The ultimate driving machine, made to be pushed and personalized. Here is what BMW does to those exact owners today. BMW's proprietary ISTA diagnostic system logs every ECU calibration change, every fault code, and every service event directly to your vehicle identification number, permanently. And get this, any software modification detected during an ISTA scan is flagged in your vehicle's permanent record, visible to every BMW dealership anywhere in the world for the life of the car. Tools like BIMA code, used by hundreds of thousands of BMW owners for basic feature unlocks, are flagged the moment a dealer runs ISTA. That flag notifies BMW technical support. Warranty authorization for major drivetrain repairs can be denied on the spot. The real kicker, the flag is tied to the VIN, not the owner. A used BMW buyer who never touched the software inherits a permanent warranty flag from the previous owner, with zero notice and zero recourse. A BMW owner who used BIMA code 3 years ago can arrive for an unrelated engine warranty repair today, get scanned, and walk out denied. Repair cost on a BMW inline 6, $8,000 to $25,000, out of pocket, over a 45-second feature unlock. BMW's ISTA is less a diagnostic tool and more a surveillance camera, and it never stops recording. Brand number 3, Volkswagen and Audi. If this video is already opening your eyes, hit subscribe right now, because what is coming in the second half makes everything so far look mild. Volkswagen and Audi built loyal followings on tuner culture, platforms that practically invited modification. The bitter irony is that those same brands now use software surveillance to penalize the exact customers who made them what they are. Here is the smoking gun. An Audi RS3 owner brought his car in for a straightforward gearbox warranty claim. Not a software issue, not a modification complaint. A failed gearbox. The dealer ran a software audit during intake and found a firmware update applied offline from a non-dealer approved source. The firmware version was technically correct, but it had not been applied through Volkswagen Group's official online activation system. Result? Warranty voided across the entire vehicle, not just the gearbox, the engine module, the MMI infotainment system. Every major covered component denied simultaneously. Translation: one firmware decision, possibly made years prior, wiped out coverage on an entire $60,000 car. The real kicker: Volkswagen Group's system requires online dealer-approved firmware activation. If the installed firmware does not precisely match the VIN's online record, the warranty investigation triggers, and the scope of denial is not limited to the component where the mismatch was found. Bottom line, go off script once with Volkswagen Group even years ago, and every warranty door slams shut at the same time. Brand number 4, Hyundai and Kia. Hyundai launched its American comeback on a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the boldest coverage promise in the industry. That same warranty became the weapon used against the consumers it was supposed to protect. The Hyundai Theta 2 engine failure scandal is one of the most documented automotive warranty disasters in modern history. Millions of vehicles, a class action lawsuit, and at the center of it, a systematic pattern of denying engine warranty claims by challenging independent maintenance records. Here is the thing. The mechanism is documentation gatekeeping. Kia dealerships are independently owned. When a warranty claim is submitted, the dealer acts as the intermediary between you and Kia corporate. Some dealerships fail, or choose not, to forward independent shop records to corporate. Without dealer-originated documentation, Kia defaults to denial, and the consumer has no direct submission pathway to bypass the dealership. The dealer is the only door, and the dealer decides what walks through it. A Kia Sorento owner with a complete, meticulously documented independent service history can have their engine seized and still be denied, because the dealership controls what gets forwarded. That is not a warranty, that is a lottery with rigged odds. As recently as January 2025, Kia owners with full independent service histories were denied engine failure claims, with dealerships refusing to forward records for pre-approval. The Theta 2 lawsuit is still generating legal activity in 2026. Hyundai and Kia's warranty is a trapdoor. It looks solid until the moment you need it. Brand number 5, Tesla. Has a manufacturer ever used fine print to deny your warranty after an independent service visit? Drop your story in the comments. We read every single one. Tesla promised to disrupt the dealership model. No franchise dealers, no service department upsells. Here is what Tesla actually built. Tesla's warranty technically allows third-party repairs. Here is the part they do not advertise. It reserves the right to deny coverage for any component directly affected by third-party work. And given Tesla's deeply integrated systems, battery thermal management, high-voltage architecture, ADAS sensors, directly affected stretches remarkably, conveniently far. Here is the thing. Tesla cross-references its proprietary over-the-air service logs during every warranty claim review. Independent shops have no access to those logs, no third-party tool interfaces with Tesla's architecture. Translation: independent shop work is invisible to Tesla's warranty review, making it structurally impossible to prove the service was done correctly, even when it was done perfectly. Consumer documentation confirms Tesla denying battery and drivetrain warranty claims after body shops performed standard collision repairs near battery compartments, citing unauthorized access to high-voltage systems. The body shop did not touch the battery. Tesla's system flagged the repair zone's proximity and exercised its directly affected clause. The real kicker: battery pack replacement runs $15,000 to $20,000, and an unrelated body repair near the battery zone is all Tesla needs to walk away from that bill. Tesla's warranty is not a shield, it is a minefield. The brand that promised to free you from the dealer service trap built a tighter trap than anyone before. Brand number 6, Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes built its reputation on engineering excellence and long-term reliability. Today, that reputation justifies locking consumers into a dealer ecosystem built to generate dealer revenue, through a digital gatekeeping system most owners have never been told exists. Here is the thing. Mercedes operates a system called the Digital Service History, the DSB. Every service interval must be logged by a registered Mercedes-authorized service partner. Most independent shops, even highly qualified European specialists using genuine Mercedes parts, are not registered. They cannot access or update the DSB. Translation: a Mercedes C-Class owner using a reputable independent specialist, genuine parts, factory torque specs, correct synthetic oil, generates a service receipt that is completely worthless in Mercedes's warranty review system. The job was done right. The DSB has no record of it. When the next warranty claim is submitted, that service never happened as far as Mercedes corporate is concerned. And get this, a January 2026 documented case shows a Mercedes GLC 300 owner receiving a denial and being advised by multiple community members to immediately hire an attorney and send a formal Magnuson-Moss demand letter. When the standard community response to a warranty denial is lawyer up, that tells you everything about how normalized this has become. Bottom line, Mercedes has built a velvet rope around warranty service. If your independent mechanic is not on the authorized partner list, your coverage does not exist, regardless of how well the job was done. Brand number 7. Rivian launched with one of the most compelling brand identities in automotive history. Adventure ready, go anywhere, built for people who actually use their trucks as trucks. Then you read the warranty. Rivian's warranty explicitly states that service performed outside a Rivian-authorized facility may void coverage. Standard language, except for one brutal problem. Rivian's service network is limited to select major cities. Mobile service vans cover a fraction of the country. For a brand whose entire identity is built on going places others cannot, the service infrastructure to support warranty coverage in those places does not exist. No third-party diagnostic tools interface with Rivian's proprietary systems. No independent certification pathway exists. The only authorized service is Rivian service, available only in certain zip codes. The real kicker: early Rivian buyers in rural states, the exact buyers Rivian's marketing targeted, report waiting months for mobile service appointments. Any independent shop intervention during that wait, no matter how minor, creates warranty exposure. Rivian sold the adventure. It forgot to build the service network to back up the warranty that was supposed to make the adventure worry-free. Buying a Rivian outside a major city is like buying fire insurance that only covers fires on a Tuesday. The coverage exists on paper. It just never applies when you need it. Brand number 8. Lucid Motors. Lucid positioned itself as the pinnacle of the EV segment. Over $100,000 for a Lucid Air, 900-volt architecture, range figures that embarrassed every competitor. The EV for buyers who wanted something genuinely better than Tesla. Here is what Lucid put in the warranty booklet. Lucid's official warranty states coverage may be excluded in the event of improper maintenance, service, or repairs performed by a non-Lucid service center or repair facility not authorized by Lucid. 2 words should alarm every Lucid owner. May be excluded, not will be excluded, not a defined standard, not a specific list of disqualifying actions, may be excluded, at Lucid's sole discretion with no published criteria and no consumer appeals process. Translation: Lucid decides, every single time, on whatever basis. They choose. Here is the thing. Lucid's service network is even smaller than Rivian's. No independent mechanic certification pathway exists. No third-party tool interfaces with Lucid's 900-volt architecture. Any repair outside a Lucid facility, even routine brake pad replacement, creates warranty exposure under the may be excluded clause. The real kicker: wait times at authorized Lucid centers run weeks. You paid over $100,000 for this car. You take it to a local shop for a routine brake service because the nearest Lucid center is 200 miles away. 3 months later, your battery management system throws a fault code, completely unrelated to the brake job. Lucid sees the independent service in its logs and exercises the may be excluded clause. Your claim is denied. Your out-of-pocket exposure, potentially $20,000 or more. Lucid sells you a $100,000 dream and a warranty written in disappearing ink. For a brand that promised to out-Tesla, that is not disruption. That is the oldest trick in the automotive playbook, repackaged in a sleek aluminum body. Here is the truth every brand on this list does not want you to understand. This warranty system is not designed to protect you. It is designed to protect dealer service revenue, corporate repair budgets, and proprietary software ecosystems. Every mechanism you just heard, ISTA surveillance, DSB gatekeeping, Mopar fluid code requirements, Tesla's invisible service logs, Lucid's maybe excluded language, serves one purpose: to give the manufacturer a legally defensible reason to deny your claim the moment you choose your own mechanic. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act says they cannot void your entire warranty for using an independent shop. But here is the real kicker: they do not need to. They just need a direct causation argument on the specific repair you are claiming. And with proprietary logs, independent shops cannot access documentation requirements only dealer invoices satisfy, and digital service records only authorized partners can update. They have all the ammunition they need. So here is what you do. Before any independent service visit on a warranted vehicle, check your warranty booklet for brand-specific documentation requirements. Keep every receipt with part numbers, fluid specifications, and exact procedures listed, not generic descriptions. If a claim is denied, demand the denial in writing with a stated cause. Under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, they are legally required to provide it. That written denial is the foundation of a demand letter an attorney can act on. These brands are counting on you not knowing your rights. They are counting on the fine print being too small to read and too complex to fight. Hit subscribe if you want the truth about what the auto industry is hiding from you in 2026. And share this video, because someone you know is about to book an independent service appointment without knowing what it is going to cost them.